Tapos, liquidity-wise, MP2 has a 5-year term, whereas mutual funds can be liquidated, bought or sold at any time. Yan. Ang
That's a
diferensya.
key difference, no? Mm.
And diversification, mutual funds naman provide diversification across different assets. Like,
Mm-mm.
yun nga, which I mentioned, kung conservative government bonds, kung moderate ka, mix yan of government bonds and equity fund.
Mm-mm.
And kung aggressive ka, equity fund, meaning mga stock market, corporate accounts yan.
Mm-mm.
Yan. So, while MP2 is a more straightforward government savings program with a fixed return.
Mm-mm.
Parang isang basket lang siya ng mutual funds, which is the conservative basket, na
Ah.
almost pareho sila ng return, 6 to 8% annual.
Mm-mm.
While moderate can earn 8 to 10%, while aggressive can earn 10 to 15%.
Ba?
During the 2009 pala,
Mm-mm.
2009, 2010, it went as high as 45% to
Holy.
55%.